Okay, my beautiful friends, it's you and me together again, and I just love it. So, today is Tuesday, January 19th, 2021. Here we are. If you recall, last week we had a pan sell-off in the market. Pan meaning pretty much everything was selling off. And I explained to you, when you see that, generally it's followed by a rebound. Well, today, this market is poised to rebound. Not just the stock market, but pretty much everything is getting bought up right now. You got the stock market right now poised for gains, cryptocurrencies getting bid higher, gold and silver getting bid higher, crude oil getting bid higher. Again, so this is not a surprise to you at all. There's a couple of other things going on too I want to cover. Let's look at the 10-year yield. 1.11. 1.11. This is a great spot for this market to be in right now, and the dollar under pressure. So it's a nice scenario for the market, at least here at the open. We'll see how this plays out. Anyway, look, like I've explained to you since like forever, people, this market is literally the gift that keeps on giving. And opportunity is everywhere. Everywhere you want to look. And that's what this is all about to me. They're going to play their game. We're going to play our game. We're in the midst of nuclear debt. Understand that today is President Trump's last day as president. Tomorrow, we get a new freak. And this new freak is going to blow up the debt on a nuclear scale that is going to push stocks higher. You know, while we're on the topic, do you know the real reason why President Trump lost the election? Do you really think your vote counted? How about no? The real reason why Trump lost this time is because Wall Street was promised a deal with China. Instead, we got, photo ops, nonsense. Nothing happened. We got zero. It was an embarrassment, the entire thing. China made President Trump look like an idiot, and that was really sad. And the fact of the matter is Wall Street was promised a deal, didn't get a deal, and that's why President Trump is out. That's the truth. We don't get to choose our president. We have a shadow government, and they're dictating the rules. Wall Street, they're all part of this entire thing, and they wanted a deal, didn't get it. President Trump's out. What we need to look for here moving forward, and if this doesn't happen, Biden's going to be out too, faster than you could possibly imagine. The Biden-Harris team gone in 4 years. If there is no China deal soon, Biden's presidency will turn into another laughing stock, just like Trump was. But again, we understand this. Presidents are just spokespeople. They don't matter at all. They are not the government. They are just a puppet, every single one of them. This is a new paradigm, people, a new set of rules, and that's where we're going here. Anyway, so with that said, just real quick, we got a market poised for a rebound. We got everything getting bid higher right now. Cryptocurrencies, gold, silver, crude oil, dollar under pressure, 10-year yield 1.11. Looks good. This is really looking good to me from an asset standpoint, pretty much across the board. And again, look, just don't lose sight on what's coming. What we've seen last year with the federal really doubling, what's about to happen now. I don't think, really, maybe some of you don't understand this, but nuclear debt is going to propel this stock market higher. And if this new thing, the new figurehead, which is going to be inaugurated tomorrow, if this new thing does not pull off some kind of a fair deal with China, Trump couldn't do it. China made him look like a buffoon. And we'll see how this plays out here. If this new thing is able to get a deal with China, something that's equitable here, forget about where stocks are going to go. Stocks are going to go higher than you can possibly even dream of at this particular point. And again, we got this nuclear debt situation, the potential here. And I think there is a potential here. China did not want to deal with Trump. China did everything they could possibly to make Trump look bad. They turned him into a puppet, just like the central banks turn every single president into a puppet because they are puppets. But we're going to see how this plays out. Keep your eye on this, and I promise to keep you on top of it. It's big. It's big for this market. It's the economy too. I mean, if we could get an equitable deal with China, the world's second largest economy, that would help our free fall economy. We need a lot of help here. And no amount of stimulus in any amount, is going to dig us out of the rat hole that we are in. And this is deliberate. You understand that. I know you get it, but this is deliberate. If we're ever going to come out of this, we have to understand that we are in a global economy, okay? Things must work. They must work together. We must work together. Otherwise, we're done. Otherwise, we're just absolutely done. And unfortunately, many people are done right now. Middle class, like I told you for how long now? Years? You have a target on your face. Donald Trump did not save you. Biden will not save you. You need to save yourself. You need to understand the situation you are in. You need to come together. You need to realize that the divide and conquer mechanism just breeds hatred. And that makes you lose. Any one of you out here who have hatred in your heart, you're going to lose. It just breeds more anger, confusion, more hatred. It's a paralyzing thing. And it'll eventually kill you. I'm not kidding. Absolutely not kidding with regard to that. Anyway, all right, so with that said, I think I've outlined where we're going, what to look out for here. I'll keep you on top of this as usual. Let's see how this plays out. This guy here loves you a lot. Please share the video. See you later.